It's interesting how marriage, children, monogamy has been a dominating force for so long that it's completely abnormal when somebody chooses to exercise their free will and do something outside of those three things. Me personally, I believe in monogamy, having a one-party situation, but that doesn't mean that I don't understand what people they don't. God forbid you don't want to have children. Oh, we were put on this earth to procreate. Well, if you want to be part of that bunny making rabbit factory, then go ahead and do you. God forbid you tell somebody you don't want to get married or be monogamous. Like, there's some people who really don't chase the stereotypical norm when it comes to our subjective reality, and they choose to do something different. I know somebody who really does not want to get married or have kids or be tied out to a situation. Their only goal in life is to see how far they can take their life or how much they can experience inside of their life. They don't conform to these standards, and I think that's 100% okay, regardless if I agree with it or not. It's completely okay. I wonder how many people have actually thought out these things for themselves and realized that this is something that they truly want, or that they want it because they were told that they should have it or that they shouldn't have it. Because everything that I know that I want is because I actually chose to want it. And if I don't want it, then I'm not going to do it in regards to what anybody says.